If you're struggling to wake up in the morning, you're definitely not alone. Most I could find is that as many as 42% of adolescents may find it difficult to wake up in the morning, and though the likelihood of it happening does go down with age, you may still find yourself being affected by it. I generally call it psychological inertia, and actually much to my surprise it is called sleep inertia at 𝒂𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒂. If you want to read more about it, I'll leave a link to it top right corner of this video and in the description. It is not a sleep disorder and it generally lasts 30 minutes to an hour after waking up. While it may be countered by cultivating positive affirmations and collecting motivational videos and whatnot, and yes, I did try, the best method for me has been the one I'm about to show you. And here's a summary. You don't have to listen to all of this if you don't want to. According to the CDC and the Sleep Foundation, adults should aim for around 8 hours of sleep per night. However, if you manage to get at least 7 hours, which is my recommended minimum, waking up can still be a challenge. So now, here's what worked wonders for me. Firstly, keep your alarm, whether it's your phone or some other kind of alarm clock, away from your bed so that it forces you to physically get up and turn it off. Ideally, place it near a light switch and a source of water. Because as with the general idea of this method, your aim is to make stressful things flow together and be easily accessible. The reason why is that cortisol, which is the main stress hormone in your body, essentially prepares you for the stress of the day. That's what we refer to when we're thinking of someone who's alert. They have cortisol running through their body, though obviously not excessively because that's not good for your health either. So having to stand up, to turn the lights on, it increases your cortisol levels, which makes you alert, which is further necessary in keeping this momentum going, which is what you'll do by starting the day off right with some water. So please, yes, hydrate yourself regularly. In my experience, 8 out of 10 times at least, when I'm overly stressed, anxious, low on energy, or having a headache, I'm dehydrated. And here is where things can get tricky. Avoid getting back into bed. Turn on some music or the TV, just anything that can bother you. For an extra boost, try doing burpees. They're one of the most effective exercises if you need something to get your heart rate up, and in this case, we are looking for that. I'll leave some links around this video for you to check out. If you can do it, just do whatever comes easier for you. Just don't lie down. And if you do need to sit, try not to sit in your bed. So, recap. Put your phone away from your bed, at least about 2 meters away. Turn the light on and drink water. After that, you may choose to do some exercise. As I said, burpees are a great choice, or you may look to get some breakfast in, some coffee or tea. Caffeine intake should optimally happen after 90 minutes of waking up as per Andrew Huberman's recommendation, so you should ideally wait for that. But, and again, I'm gonna leave a link around. Either way, you do you, and I think these are just mostly details that may or may not help you achieve what you primarily need. So, well, that's it. This combination has worked every time for me, to the point where I know it's gonna work even if I hate it. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. If you have any tips of your own or additional questions I could help you with, just let me know in the comments. See ya.
Wake up every day, I have some food and everything seems like it's going to be fine. Then all of a sudden shit